Hey, this is Geotech Land, and today I'll be doing an unboxing on the Anker Soundcore Q30 headphones. It looks like these headphones offer a lot of the bells and whistles that other way more expensive headphones offer. So I thought I'd check it out, and I'll be releasing a full review of this headphone. So be sure to subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. If you're enjoying my content, you can subscribe to me on YouTube, PeerTube, and follow me on Odyssey. You can also support me on LiberaPay, Patreon, and by shopping at Earth Hero. See links in the description below.